Hi everyone, good day. This is Mrs. Cutting Care. Is want to practice talking to camera para maiwasan ko ang distraction kasi lagi ako na-distract. Ayan, medyo mahiyain tayo, so let's go and practice. We can practice. So this is day 1. So I'm going to try to talk a topic about how I become more practical in life without script. So I just wanna focus there, looking at you, talking to my camera like this. So let's go. So my practicality in life is, it happens when I was young because my parents teach us how to be practical and being resilient in life. So I apply that into my lives right now. So because at the moment grocery is high, rent is high, electric is high, all the bills is very expensive. So what I was doing in my life at the moment is writing all down that stuff that I need to do this year and not to do this year. So sometimes we have to have sacrifices, not sacrifices that you deprive yourself not to get something what you want. Like for example, basic needs is very important. Food, money to rent, money to buy products for your work. Like I'm a cleaner also, so I need to buy that product, so I need the money. So writing down all what you need is important to cut back or to know, to trace your money, where your money goes. So this is like a practice talking, but I'm talking some topic about how to become more practical and being resilient in life. As a poor people, as a poor Filipina, resiliency is part of our life as a Filipina. Parte talaga yan ng aming buhay ng mga Pilipino, ang pagiging resilient. Kasi hindi ako mayaman, kaya natuto ako to become more resilient and practical in life mula pa nung kabataan namin. Because our parents teaching us. So let's go back to the topic. See, I'm practicing my speech on the camera. So I will practice this every day and every day with a topic based on my life experience. Now I'm in Australia as a care worker. I still need to be practical and being realistic of how much money I earn. So we have to base that your money, like for example, I earn $5,000 a month. So I have to make sure that I still have leftover money. So doing all the notes, planning, you have to write down all the expenses, so you know where your money goes. It's very important. So that's all for today, my practice vlog for talking to camera, and I hope you have a great day, and thank you so much. Mrs. Cutting Care is always thinking about and planning about the future, because future for our lives is very important, especially if we have kids. As we get older, we're no longer able to work, and if we don't have money set aside, we're in big trouble. It's okay in Australia because you get the pension or some support, but if you are in the Philippines, there is none. So only you can help yourself. So you have to focus your future. Plus, focus with inspiration and you enjoy what you're doing. So thank you so much, and if you like this, please support my channel. I want to grow up so I can have some side hustle doing YouTube blogging. Alright, bye. Mrs. Cutting Care, always thinking about something. Bye.